What is up, my riders? So I want to make a quick video for you guys that have had your car like me for a little while. I have the old style key fobs and I have a 2016, so I didn't get the updated key fobs. This is only for this style. I don't know about the others, but I couldn't find a good tutorial online that was super easy, so I figured why not just make one real quick. It's super simple. I'm gonna make it as short as sweet. Click these open like so. Right along this edge where the Volkswagen symbol isn't, you can actually pop it off like so. I'm doing this with one hand. You can pop this off. That wasn't graceful. Both of mine have officially gone out. Had my car for a little bit, so I wanted to show you guys that it's super simple as long as you could get enough pressure for this to pop without breaking. There you go. Little seal on it for water, a rubber grommet that also seals it. And then when you're done, just snap it back on. And that's an easy way to replace your battery on your key fob. I'll show you what mine comes with, just in case you guys were wondering, so you don't have to look up yours. And there we go. I know this wasn't something crazy, but if it helped you out, just give it a like and comment down below. Really appreciate all the interactions I get. I have a 2016 Volkswagen GLI with a 60mm turbo swap on the Gen 3 if you're interested in that kind of stuff and you're finding it from this as well. But with that being said, I love you guys. Make sure to be happy, stress less. I'll see you guys in the next one as always. Hopefully this helped you out.